Meaning of insincere.
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 Insincere. Insincere refers to a lack of sincerity or honesty in one's actions, words, or intentions. It implies that someone is not genuine or truthful in their behavior or communication. Insincerity can manifest in various ways, such as flattery, hypocrisy, or manipulation. People may be insincere for different reasons, such as to hide their true intentions, gain an advantage, or avoid conflict. However, being insincere can damage relationships and trust, lead to misunderstandings, and ultimately, hinder personal and professional growth. It is important to practice sincerity and authenticity in our interactions with others.